Welcome to SAT Climb, Rhetorical Synthesis, the question with a twist. Every answer is true. Only one does the job. Here's how to find it every time. The format: a few bullet point notes, a specific goal, and 4 sentences. The trap: all 4 are accurate, but only one accomplishes the goal. So read the goal first. It's the entire question. The goal tells you the job. Emphasize a contrast. Emphasize a similarity. Introduce the topic to someone unfamiliar. Present the main finding. Underline the goal's verb, then find the one sentence that does exactly that. Here's one. The notes describe the RLC. The goal: emphasize the scale of its decline. Choice A is true, but it's only the before. B is the cause, D is recovery, the opposite. Only C puts then and now together, once the 4th largest lake down to 10%. That's the scale. A deeper one. Same idea, different goal. Introduce tardigrades to someone who's never heard of them. And D lead with the word cryptobiosis, jargon, for a reader who won't know it. C is a detail. B starts from the ground up, what they are and why they're remarkable. That's an introduction. Here's the whole trick in one shot. Same notes on 2 composers. If the goal says emphasize a similarity, born the same year, both wrote for organ and choir. But flip the goal to a difference: Bach stayed in Germany, Handel moved to England. Same notes. The goal's verb picks the answer. Your turn. The goal: present the study's key result. Read the notes, name the job, pause if you need more time. A is the setup, B is the recommendation. The result: the headline number is C, 3 times as many pollinators. That's the finding. One more. The goal: emphasize a difference between solar and natural gas. Pause if you need it. A and B are about what they share. C sets them against each other: no fuel cost but weather dependent versus steady but costly. That's the difference. 3 traps. Picking a sentence just because it's true, they all are. Reading the notes before the goal is the question. And missing the goal's verb: emphasize a similarity and emphasize a difference have opposite answers. Rhetorical synthesis, solved. Goal first, then the sentence that does the job. Start free at satclimb.com.